Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Davik and Zweli, Brian Dlamini.
Yebo ke nako ke uthini bafo
Sikalabi. Okay, sharp.
Stivo, it's so sad, you know.
What's that?
I-Chiefs yenza umsebenzi.
Sure.
Ithi qeda ukwenza umsebenzi i-Chiefs. Ngiyahluleka emshathuzi.
Are we doing something else?
Ngiyahluleka. Iphelile game. Not. Draw.
Hey.
Iphelile game.
You drop points.
Yeah, draw points, but
lalela njani ithi do like I do, you'll do, I'll do like I do, you'll do like I do. Yeah, lento ngiyenza uzoyenza. Leliki lena iliki Pirates. Whatever I do is gonna do.
Yes.
I'm taking it by points.
Yes.
By goals.
Yes.
By everything.
Yes.
Uzelana wanga le because uzobukela a beautiful football. Yes.
bengazelanga leyo nto ngizela uzominya lento abayenzele ngiminyile waminyeka I was successful manje abafana bami they let me down Steve yabona nawe uyangiminyela lana masiphuma la stadium uyangitshela ukuthi hayi akwenzeke lento yenzekela like do I do yabona uDlamini uyathakatha ufana ne-chemical engineer yabo ufana ne-chemical engineer yabo very dangerous but Steve back to the derby match you know what Steve I would like to congratulate Kaizer Chiefs from the previous game which they played you know to the level of performance which they brought in today you know they showed that you know what don't count us out we're still there
shouldn't.
and you know this is interesting that the top 3 teams in South Africa they are all in position 1 position 2 position 3 but what I would like to tell Zweli is that this draw which he got against Kaizer Chiefs and the loss which he got against me you must know that the league was won when I beat him he can do whatever he's doing but you know always the king will walk with someone holding the umbrella for him
That's true.
in the king he knows we are with Nkosoba yes and that will never change you know what I would like him to be abe nalo leli thembe lingekho kuthe ugcineni ke abe seyaquleka
mina into engizoyisho i-Sundowns you've been cruising very nicely this time you're not cruising nicely this time you can feel ukuthi Pirates is here
The pressure!
right now the pressure is here even Kaizer Chiefs they can draw with us even they can celebrate the draw but Sundowns the pen goes to Sundowns they know ukuthi right now Orlando Pirates is here and Orlando Pirates is going to take the lead lalela
so are you saying Marabastan dominance is over
wait ngithi kuwe continue ku CAF the CAF is the only thing that you can rely on right now league Orlando Pirates this is PSL this is Pirates Soccer League and when udlala iCAF hamba ye-CAF hamba uyothatha and kabanga kahle they might lose both of them and the Star yes it's possible they might lose both of them uyabona yena mela decide Sundowns must decide ukuthi bafuna ini remember ukuthi Sundowns they only take one trophy per season Orlando Pirates have already took 2 trophies and now this one bafuna kuyenza the 3rd one Sundowns they only take 1 trophy per season right now Sundowns must decide Do you want CAF or league?
League is no longer there.
Let me tell you Zweli. Ngiyanithanda nikhulumela safuthi aniqeda ukukhuluma. But come the end of Premier Soccer League. Ngithi akufike usuku lokuthi
Ngikubuze one question. Which one are you?
I want both.
You want both?
Yes.
You will lose both.
No.
You gonna lose both. You gonna lose both. You gonna lose both. I'm gonna take the lead. You gonna lose the
You not get anything.
When are you gonna lose both?
Get anything.
You going to
my
lose
umbrella. You be my umbrella.
You gonna lose both.
I'm gonna win both.
You gonna lose both.
I'm gonna win both.
You gonna lose both.
I'm gonna win both. I'm gonna win both.
The league is mine. The league is mine.
The league is mine. The league is mine.
The league is
The league is
mine.
mine.
You gonna lose
The league is mine. The league is mine.
Fortunately for us, this league is not won by volume. It's won by football. Watch us win this league.